The Lion and the Mirror, a story of national pride. Once, in a land between oceans and mountains, there lived a mighty lion named Azar, who ruled a vast and prosperous kingdom. The people of the land were strong, clever, and fiercely loyal. They built towering cities, fields of golden grain, and roads that stretched to the stars. Travelers from faraway places came to learn, to trade, and to admire. The nation's banner bore the image of Azar, the lion, whose roar echoed with victory and whose mane glittered like the sun. The people said, "We are the chosen ones. No nation is like ours. We are the crown of the earth." And at first, it was true. Their pride led to unity, and unity led to progress. The people sang songs of harvest, built homes from stone and steel, and wrote wisdom on scrolls for their children's children. But over time, the pride that once united them began to divide them. They stopped listening to the cries of the poor. They silenced the prophets who warned of decay. They mocked the humble and exalted the loud. They believed their greatness could never fade, because they were them and not others. One day, an old wanderer entered the city square carrying a strange gift, a mirror framed in iron and fire, which showed not a face, but a reflection of the soul of a nation. "I bring you a gift," the wanderer said. "Look into it, and you will see your true self." The nobles laughed. "We know who we are. We are the lion." But a child, curious and unspoiled by pride, stepped forward and peered into the mirror. Her eyes widened. "I see a lion," she whispered. "But his mane is tangled. His claws are dull. His roar is no longer feared, it is feared by his own cubs." The crowd grew quiet. More people stepped forward. In the mirror, they saw not only their triumphs, but their betrayals. Their forgotten promises. Their neglected neighbors. Their idols of gold built over the cries of the broken. The lion, Azar, who once roared with pride, now limped with sorrow. Still, the choice remained. They could smash the mirror. They could turn away. Or, they could remember. And slowly, the people began to gather, not in parades, but in quiet circles of rebuilding. They listened to each other again. They raised the weak. They taught truth, not just tales. And though the lion did not regain his youth, he walked with wisdom, and his cubs followed with hope. Reflection. The pride of a nation can be a banner that inspires, or a veil that blinds. True greatness lies not in never falling, but in being willing to see, to change, and to rise again, together.